Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we outside and we're going for hiking. I know it's been a while that I didn't post anything, so
Stay tuned.
and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. So this is what we have, because I don't know if there's any insect. So more on my arm, and careful because it's pretty fast. So here, no swimming, no alcohol, no fire. Then we're here. We have different village here. We have different lake. So those are the toilets. Chat, we cannot swim. This is so bad. Look guys. What? This is crazy. Oh man, I had to remove my glasses. Blue side says to go there.
Let's go there.
Let's go there.
Come follow me to a secret place.
Right, so let's keep rolling guys.
Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core.
Now for real, the weather is great. We're having fun, just walking. So now we're heading to number 9.
There's something right about tonight.
Nice day.
En direct, c'est ça?
Yeah,
Toi, tu veux pas aller en haut?
I know, this is where we're from. Yeah, we're from up. It's like, oh, we have to go there. Alright. We got it wrong. We're there since like what, 20 minutes, not even. So let's go back. Alright.
Okay, let the pro show you how to do it, okay?
Alright, let's go do it. Like for real? If we didn't have the thing for the mosquitoes, like
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
nope. Alright guys, so I'm about to go there, right? Alright guys, so I made it all the way up. See that? Do you want to go up?
Hell no.
Yeah, I made it. Well, to go down, there's gonna be something, another story. Like, I don't know how, but right. So now it's time to go down. I don't know how I'm gonna make it, but I have to go all the way down here. Hold the camera. You got it? It's rigged. It's already on for the rig. Okay, so just like that. So now we're going back because we have to go to the other side of the river. Alright guys, so we're heading to the other side. Now it's a bit more windy. Alright, so we're down the river and it's nice here though. I like the view and everything. The view is nice. I almost fall in the water. That's the proof. Yeah, this is the end of our little adventure, so make sure you guys subscribe and thank you for watching.